Welcome students. Today I discuss about the Pinacol rearrangement. Now this is a types of reaction where vicinal diol under treatment with acid forms either aldehyde or ketone. Here we choose a symmetric vicinal diol. When this is treated with acid forms a ketone, and the reaction mechanism is such. First one of the hydroxyl groups undergoes protonation and followed by the loss of water molecules generate the carbocation. Then the methyl group of the adjacent carbon with respect to the electron deficient carbon migrated to the electron deficient carbon and generated this carbocation. This carbocation is stabilized by the resonance, and this resonating structure on loss of proton generated this carbonyl compound. And the generation of this carbocation is an slower step of the process, that is rate determining step. So how we prove that carbocation is formed as an intermediate in this reaction? If we treated this big diol with acid in presence of H2O18, then some recovered pinacol which may contain O18 level hydroxyl group indicate that carbocation is generated in this reaction medium. When this big diol is treated with acid, it undergoes very slow reaction because the intermediate carbocation is very unstable due to the presence of the 3 fluorine which have minus I effect, and due to this reason this compound undergoes very slow pinacol rearrangement. Now what happened if dissymmetric pinacol treated with acid? Because here the main question, which hydroxyl group undergo protonation. If this hydroxyl group undergoes protonation, it forms this carbocation, whereas if this hydroxyl group undergoes protonation, it generates this carbocation which is stabilized by the plus R effect of the 2-phenyl group, and such stabilization effect is absent here. So when this big diol treated with acid, it generates the stable carbocation followed by the migration of the hydride ion and loss of proton generate this carbonyl compound. If this big diol treated with acid, what happened? Though it a symmetric big diol, but here the question is which group migrated. It depends upon the migratory aptitude of the group, and a rough order is shown here which indicates that benzene with para-methoxy group have higher migratory aptitude than the other, then the toluene group migratory aptitude. Now compare with hydride and alkyl. Hydride have higher migratory aptitude than alkyl, and among alkyl, tertiary alkyl group have higher migratory aptitude than the secondary than primary. So here phenyl group migrated, and consequently loss of proton generates this carbonyl compound. Now what happened when cyclohexane diol treated with acid? Now from the stereochemistry approach, those group migrated which is anti to the leaving group. So in case of trans diol, hydroxyl group is trans with respect to one another, so rather migration here epoxide is formed. But in case of diequatorial cis dihydroxyl cyclohexane, it generates this carbonyl compound, whereas the axial equatorial generates the mixture of these two carbonyl compound. So what is the mechanism? When the axial equatorial and equatorial undergo protonation, Then the trans group is methyl group. So this compound on treated with proton generated this carbonyl compound, and when the di-equatorial dihydroxyl group treated with proton, here the trans group is bond of cyclohexane ring. So when this compound treated with acid, it forms this carbonyl compound. And this compound when treated with acid, here the trans group is methyl group, so methyl group migrated and generated this compound, and here the bond migrated. Sorry, this is a wrong example. Here epoxide is formed. Semi-pinacol rearrangement. So when aminohydrin or halohydrin treated with nitrous acid and silver plus ion respectively, they undergo pinacol types rearrangement and forms the pinacolon. So when aminohydrin treated with nitrous acid or NaNO2 HCl, which generate in situ nitrous acid, which is a source of nitrosodium cation. So first this amino group react with the nitrosodium cation, which is generated from here, and forms the diazo group in the following way, which is a good leaving group and which leaves and generated this carbocation, followed by the methyl migration, form and followed by the methyl migration and loss of proton, generated this carbonyl compound. When this chlorohydrin treated with silver plus, first chlorine react with silver and form this adduct, and followed by loss of silver chloride and methyl migration, generate this carbonyl compound. When this optically active aminohydrin treated with nitrous acid, first amino group react with nitrosodium cation and generate diazonium ion, loss of diazonium ion and migration of the chiral carbon. Here chiral carbon migrated because it is a secondary group and generated a carbonyl compound where the chiral configuration of the chiral center remain intact because the chiral carbon is not detached from the molecule. It's a spontaneous step. That means it detached from the carbon and attached to the electron deficient carbon. So here few questions which is appear in various university in West Bengal. When this big diol treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, what happened? So as I discussed few minutes ago, that hydroxyl group undergoes protonation, which generated the stable carbocation, and followed by the phenyl migration, it generates this carbonyl compound, and when this big diol treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, what happened? Here this is a symmetric big diol, so protonation can take place any of the hydroxyl group, but here the most important question is which group migrated. So here para-methoxybenzene group migrated, and when this is treated with acid, what happened? Here phenyl group migrated because the migratory aptitude of the phenyl group is higher than hydride, and consequently forms this carbonyl compound. When this aminohydrin treated with NaNO2HCl, what happens? So amino group undergoes treatment with nitrosodium ion, forms diazonium ion, and followed by the paramethoxybenzene group migration, because this group have higher migratory aptitude than the phenyl, and consequently it generates this carbonyl compound. So when this is treated with acid, what happened? The hydroxyl group which is attached to the carbon which containing 2-phenyl group undergoes protonation, and followed by loss of water and hydride migration forms this carbonyl compound. It is shown earlier. And in the below case, when this aminohydrin treated with NaNO2HCl, amino group react with nitrosodium ion and forms this carbonyl compound. This question appears in the GATE 2013. When this is treated with acid, what happens? So here the same question. That hydroxyl group undergoes protonation which generate stable carbocation. So this carbocation forms because this is stabilized by the paramethoxybenzyl group due to Plasser effect of the methoxy group. And if this carbon undergoes, then the carbocation destabilized by the nitrobenzene group. So this carbocation forms and followed by the toluene group migration generate this carbonyl compound. So students, if you have any query or any question, that must be commented in the comment box. Thank you.